Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. If today's your first time seeing this face, where have you been all this while? This is the best channel where you're going to watch amazing product review, products of all kind, amazing products review. So make sure you subscribe, share, like, and comment. Share in all your WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Instagram groups, your Angwi groups. Just share this video there. Now, in today's video, we'll be doing hair remover cream. This is a product we are revealing today in this video. Hair remover cream. Let me talk about shaving before. You know, sometimes you use that your razor blades. There are razor blade that you're using like that you're shaving big, and then after some time you'll be complaining of bumps, you're having bumps, and then some of you go for hair waxing. They'll wax you, and then after that you not go again because of the pain. This product is perfect. This product is amazing. This hair remover cream. Let me show you what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like inside. It's a tube, and then it comes with a scraper. When you open and you don't see this seal on it, then you bought the loafo one, the one that's made behind your house. So you must see this seal there. This is a sign that it's the original one, and then this is what it looks like. So what you do is that you apply a little bit of you first of all take water, like you take your fresh water, you apply it under your armpit. You wet the place so that you helps to stop the pressure. Maybe a place of it, especially your armpit. You apply water on it, and then after that you clean the water. Then you apply this cream 2 to 3 centimeters thick, and then you wait for 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes. You use this scraper and you just clean it. It's just that I'm at work. I would have showed you all what it looks like. You just clean it. It helps to remove all the hair. Like, you will not even feel that hair is coming out. You can either use the scraper or use your towel. Normally, I use my towel and I just clean it. The thing just comes out like that. No pain, nothing. Now, you have to be careful not to allow it after 8 minutes, because if you leave for after 8 minutes, it is going to burn you. So, you're not supposed to leave it for after 8 minutes. So, that's basically all. So, if you are somebody who always shave, you shave your armpit, you shave your private, and even your chin. The problem is that with your chin, you have to apply it really thick, so that it can go inside. You know, your chin, there's a lot of beards on your armpit and on your private, just small amount of it, and then you just scrape it and the thing will shave you perfectly. And then after you shave, you just clean with your water, you are good to go. So if you are somebody who always shave with big, you shave with razor blades, and then you go for how is it called, for this other one, waxing, and then you feel a lot of pain, I recommend that you use this product. It is 100% good. This one is made of lemon and it contains VC, lemon plus VC. So you discover that when you use it, you will not have all those skin reactions that you used to have. You will not have it. There's also the lemon type, there's the apple type. Like, it comes in different ones, but this one is a lemon one. So make sure that you try out this product. And if you have bumps on your body, when you use this product for a longer period of time, those bumps will disappear. Like, will disappear. And if you have a very dark armpit, where you continue using this product, after some time the thing will also disappear, because it will clean your armpit. So if you have used this product before, or you have another brand that you'll be using, please let me know so that I can also try it out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, share, comment down below your opinion about this product, and I'll see you all in our next video. Bye.